Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2018 18 plate Mercedes C220 AMG line. Lovely car, fantastic colour combination. So Cyrus White is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. Now this car comes equipped with a full exterior night package, which is basically your black pack. So where you'd normally get sort of grey or silver detailing is now gloss black. So we've got gloss black in the centre grille, on the lower splitter, on these lovely 18-inch 5-spoke diamond turned alloy wheels. So within those you normally get a dark grey, but these ones are obviously in black. Gloss black mirror caps. We've got the privacy glass, gloss black window surrounds. This one's also had the roof wrapped in black, so that's not standard, but a lovely feature added on by the previous keeper. And then coming through to the back, you get the gloss black lower diffuser as well. But being the AMG Sport model, you get the more aggressive body styling, so the more pronounced front and rear bumpers with nice sort of vents to them, nice flared side skirts, and a bigger alloy wheel. So when you look at the car, it looks absolutely fantastic. Now, specification wise, we've got LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera. That's all to the exterior of the car. And then inside is a full Artico leather sport seat, obviously ebony black, part perforated in the centres just to allow the seat to breathe. Looking at the bolsters, obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your work getting in and out of the vehicle. As you can tell, those are in superb order. Coming through to the rear, then again, those seats look like they've barely been sat in. Very nice order throughout. Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. Central cup holders. We've got rear vents, so the rear passengers get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. And then coming through to the actual driver's seat, we'll close the door, get out of the elements. So once you're inside, the fit and finish of a Mercedes is absolutely second to none. So we've got this lovely brushed aluminium detailing, we've got bright silver inserts all throughout the car, on the door cards, the steering wheel, the center console, the dashboard. Everything comes together and feels very premium. So specification wise, we've got heated front seats, we've got park folding mirrors, electric front windows, central locking, we've got our boot opener there as well, automatic lights. This vehicle is supplied with both keys. We actually supplied this car to the previous keeper, so we actually know the car. Steering wheel is a sports one, so it's flat bottom, part perforated, lovely ribs, so it feels fantastic in the hand. Obviously this is an automatic vehicle, so you've got your gear shifter there, you've got the flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually. And then on the steering wheel itself, we've got our voice command, Bluetooth phone, all of our volume and media controls, all the controls for the display up ahead. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 43,409 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Cruise control and speed limiter. Then coming through to the center display, you get this nice big screen in the center. So that's all controlled via the buttons on the side, or you can also use the center scroll wheel. So on the screen, we've got satellite navigation, we've got radio, which is a full DAB, so we've got all of those extended channels, multimedia, so that includes disc, memory card, media interface 1 and 2, as well as your Bluetooth audio. And then clicking through to phone, you've also got your internet capabilities, so basically uses the hotspot off your phone. And then you've got all your vehicle settings as well. So configurator, you've got your selectable drive, so you've got sport, sport plus, you've got individual, allowing you to just change it up to the way you like it. Car's been in comfort whilst I've been photographing it and when it came in, and then we've got eco mode as well. Then coming down the center console, obviously dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Central cup holders, 12-volt power outlet for your phone charging. Central armrest is in fantastic order. And then within there you'll find your SD card for the SAT NAV and 2 USB ports. But again, nice car. So sitting inside, it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. Looking at the steering wheel, there's no signs of any sort of nicks or rubbing away from rings and bracelets. Doesn't smell like it's ever had any sort of pets. All the buttons on the steering wheel down the center console, they're all in nice order. None of the scripts have started to rub away. So a nice car. If you'd like anything further on the vehicle, so if you'd like a personalized video, if you'd like more images, or you'd just like to book in for a viewing, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Now, we are trying to work via appointments at the moment, so please do get in touch before travelling down. And also, I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So if you were to go through to our Auto Trader, we're a 5-star dealer. We've got just under 500 5-star reviews, all from verified buyers. And then from there, if you were to go through to our Facebook page, you'll see the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors. You'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years. And you'll also see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect their cars. So again, thank you for watching. On sales, there's myself, Dominic. There's also my colleagues Graham and Lee. So any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.